Good afternoon north of 44 degrees. Got a lot of things done this weekend, but didn't spend much time in the barn. We did get a little bit of something done, but I will respect your time as much as I possibly can, and this is going to be a rather short one this week. So let's jump inside and get a little more insulation done. All right, here we are. You can see this bay's done. That's the one we just wrapped up. Let's show you how we did it real quick. Step one, fill this with foam. We got it covered, EPS. Let's see if I can provide you with something useful today. Ambient air temperature in the barn is 82.5 degrees. The temperature of the steel that the sun is now hitting is 101, just over 101.5. With an R5 insulation, it drops down to 91, almost 92 degrees. Ambient air temperature on the rock wool is 89 degrees. Let's insulate. All right, friends. That's gonna do it for today. Let's get cleaned up and go have a beer.